Okay, and we are recording. And ang gagawin natin today is gagawa lang ako ng tanggal ka na pala. Gagawa lang tayo ng konting notes para meron tayong guide for the rest of the reading. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is yung ating first 15 days of April. And we will be starting this reading kay Aries. April. April 1 hanggang April 15, 2026. You know why? Bakit ako nagsusulat na ng ganito? Dapat yung marker nga ang ginamit ko para medyo mas later. I-trace ko na lang siya. And then ilalagay ko siya dyan sa harapan. Kasi sometimes, may jet lags pa ako ng nakaraang buwan. Okay. So let me see my dear Aries. Okay. So reminder. Paalala lamang po na ang gagawin natin today ay general reading. Ito yung gagawin natin iti-trace. General reading, so hindi po ito 100% na magre-resonate para sa ating lahat. So please, my dear, lower your expectation. Lower your expectation pagdating po sa mga general reading. And my dear, as of March 13 and mag-e-end siya ng April 13, naka-promo po ang ating private reading. Okay, naka 40% discount po ang ating private reading. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-message na. Okay? So ayan na siya. Yeah, so dito natin siya ilalagay. Ayan. So reminder siya na first 15 days of April ang gagawin natin. And mag-start tayo sa iyo, my dear Aries. Okay, let me see what is going on with your area of responsibility, Aries. And nasa description box down below, my dear, yung mga details and information kung paano mo ako mako-contact. Okay, let me see what is going on with you. What is going on with the world, mama? Nasaan to? Ayan. Okay, let me see. Oops! Oops! We have here the energy of the magician, and we have here the Three of Cups. Very, very good, my dear. Very good. Okay? Very, very good. It's very nice. Kasi, ang sinasabi dito, my dear Aries, is more on tapos meron tayong Ace of Swords dito. Later ka na, may partner na siya over here. Okay! Meron kang energy ng Five of Cups over here, tsaka Ace of Swords. So, what is going on? Sinasabi dito, my dear Aries, nasa pagsampa ng first 15 days of April, okay, na you will be the magician, okay? Actually, hindi ikaw mismo yung magician. Yung energy na parang everything that you need para ma-access kung ano yung dapat mong ma-access, okay? Itong mga sword, wands, pentacles, cups na nasa table ng magician, that is the energy na pinoprovide sa'yo, my dear. Ibig sabihin, yung energy coming from the outside or yung blessing galing sa ating mga spirit guide to accept kung ano man tong para ma-resolve kung ano man tong problem na meron ka. If you have any problem, if you have certain problem, my dear, sa life mo as of this moment, you are being you're being assessed. Okay, na ina-assess ka, my dear. Yun na nakukuha ko dito by giving you all the resources that you need. Okay? There's a tendency, my dear, na baka nagpa 5 of cups ka over here. Okay? Para masyado ka nag-go hold dun sa 3 cups. Okay? Sa energy ng 5 of cups, nakita mo 1, 2, 3, 3 cups dyan, and nalulungkot ka, parang meron ka pinagdadaanan over here. But diba? Dapat hindi ka naman dapat nasasado. It's just more on very, very highlighted lang talaga, my dear Aries, na parang, bakit hindi ko nakuha to or something like that. So, there's a possibility, my dear. Alam mo, ang worst dito, my dear Aries, is possible na maging highlighted itong mga cups na natapon, okay, sa first 15 days of April rather than looking at the brighter side na parang, okay, kaya pang makuha to. We have here the energy of the Ace of Sword. I think ang pinaka-first na gift na makukuha mo is the Ace of Sword, the gift of knowledge, okay? No. The gift of knowledge, kung paano mo makukuha itong mga bagay na to, hindi mo makukuha yung mga nawala na yan, my dear, sa'yo. Iiyak ka lang ng iiyak. You need to do something, darling, okay? Kinakailangan mo gumawa. You need to move. You need to do something, my dear. Maganda tong first card natin. I love ito, my dear. Kasi this is energy of success, energy of celebration. There's a possibility, my dear, na when you put your heart into it, pag nilagay mo yung iyong effort, yung iyong passion, yung iyong whatever it is, your energy mo, my dear, doon sa bagay na yon, possible na makuha mo yung bagay na yon, okay? As long as you put your heart into it, okay? Kasi binibigyan naman sa iyo ng ating buong may kapal, my dear, lahat ng needed resources mo, my dear, for you to may tayo itong mga cups na iniiyakan mo dito, kung ano man ito, okay? Parang sinasabi, you have the knowledge over here, you have the knowledge, okay, I'm giving you the knowledge. Yun ang pinakauna mo makukuha dito. Ayan, yung sword sa table niya. Yun ang pinakauna mo makukuha dyan, okay? Let me see. Na. Uy. Let me see, my dear Aries. What is this? We have here the energy of the Empress. Diba nabanggit ko kanino, as long as you put your heart into it. Ibig sabihin, you need to be, this is the time na maging more passionate ka pa, my dear, sa trabaho mo. It really doesn't matter kung hindi nag-work according to your plan or marami kang na-miss out ng mga opportunity and so on and so forth. This is the time, my dear Aries, na ilagay mo yung puso mo dyan sa bagay na yan. Kasi may sure success tayo, my dear, sa energy ng Three of Cups. Ibig sabihin, agad-agad magkakaroon ng result. Pero hindi ito magkakaroon ng result kung magngangawa ka lang sa energy ng Five of Cups. Yes, my love. Let me see. Masakit talaga. Masakit talaga sa first time. Okay? Masakit talaga kung ano man yan. We have here the energy of another stock na naman. Nakafocus ka naman. Very highlighted yung tatlong cups, my dear. Very highlighted yung tatlong cups. I don't know what is that. Actually, I know kung ano yan. Possible na yan yung mga opportunities, mga bagay na posibleng nilagyan mo ng effort pero hindi nag-work. Possible yan yung mga energy na possible din na third party, mga ganyan, third party issue kasi tatlong cups, okay? Pero sinasabi naman dito na ma-overcome naman siya, my dear, as long as you use the energy of the Empress, which is may kinalaman sa love, compassion, growth, okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko dito sa ating energy, my dear. Once again, energy ng first 15 days of April tayo, my dear, okay? Let me see. Na. The Eight of Swords. You don't like this, my dear. For some of you is posibleng gusto ninyong alam mo, iikot yung relo. Okay, if you can actually turn back time. If I can turn back time, okay, baka gusto niyo i-turn back yung hawakan, yung relo, no? Parang gusto mong ibalik, kung ibabalik ko lang ang nakaraan, something like that. Pero kung makikita mo, is already guarded yung likod mo over here. Parang sinasabi, oops, hindi ka na pwede bumalik. Nangyari. The damage has been done. Marami sa inyo, my dear, ang parang very highlighted to. Yung mismong eksena, my dear, ang i-highlight natin dito. Marami sa inyo, my dear, ngayong second half, see? First 15 days of April, di ba? Second half pa rin, no? First 15 days of April is, masyado kayong focus talaga doon sa parang, ayoko nitong sitwasyon na to, ayoko kung ano nangyayari, I don't want this, blah, 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 blah. But, wala tayong magagawa, nandyan na yan. Oh, the devil, no? So, i-highlight na the devil sa buhay mo yung, wala ang ganito. Kumbaga parang bubulong siya ng bubulong sa'yo, my dear. Na parang, okay, sayangin mo yung oras mo sa pagluluksa, di ba? Dito ka lang, diyan ka lang mag-focus. Umupo ka lang dyan, wala kang gagawin at all. Kung hindi mag-focus ka lang doon na parang, you wish na parang you can actually like turn back yung clock and maayos yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero, my dear, the damage has been done. Nangyari na ang nangyari. So, anong gagawin natin, my dear? You are given the Ace of Sword over here para i-cut to, my dear. Binibigyan ka ng knowledge, okay? Parang i-cut ito and look at the positive side or the brighter side. May mga bagay na hindi natin gusto na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Pero, honestly, imposibleng walang magandang energy dyan. Meron at meron kang matututunan dyan sa pag-alis ng isang tao, sa nangyari sa buhay mo, sa mga failure mo. Imposibleng wala kang matututunan dyan, my dear, okay? Meron at meron kang matututunan dyan. Clarify na natin tong 8 of Sword. Oops, ang dami. Why? That's the sun. Go on shining. Okay, meron tayong nakitang tower. Okay, ito lang ang ibabalid ko sa reading na to. Kasi sobrang dami niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I read this? Can I? Okay, let's go tayo. Ito na, last card na to. 8 cards. Dapat, Okay, kasi nahulog siya. Baka para sa'yo talaga to, my dear Aries. Okay? We have here the energy of the tower. Wala masama na mag-umpisa ulit. Okay? Tower is energy ng back to zero. Okay? Kahit sabihin mo napakarami mo ng effort na nilagay dyan, okay? It's okay na mag-back to zero. It's okay na mag-start ulit. It's okay. Ganun talaga ang buhay sa mundo, my dear. Habang nabubuhay ka, it is a repeated cycle, my dear. Hindi natin kayang kontrolin yon. Ganun talaga. Okay ka ngayon, bukas hindi ka okay. Ganun talaga. That's the way life is. Next card natin over here is the energy of the Knight of Wands. Rather than focusing sa energy ng 5 of Cups, at saka energy ng 4 of Cups, okay? At saka energy ng 8 of Sword, you need to focus kung paano ka mag-build ulit. How you can actually build yung empire mo ulit, yung tower mo, kung paano mo siyang i-build. And ang Knight of Swords din kasi, my dear, is energy din yan siya, my dear, na parang explore. Okay? So, don't be afraid to explore. Don't be afraid na itry yung mga bagay-bagay. Don't be afraid na subukan yung mga bagay na, di ba, possible na punong-puno ka ng mga takot and punong-puno ka ng mga, di ba, kung ano man yung pinaglalaban mo dyan. We have here the energy of the 6 of Swords. Although magiging mabagal lang, my dear, yung ating progress along the way. Pero at least, di ba, may progress, may movement, di ba? So, alam ko nakakapagod, pero welcome to planet Earth. Ganon talaga ang life, okay? Next card natin over here is the energy of Knight. Dalawang Knight, okay? This is energy of emotion, okay? Parang ang nakukuha ko dito, actually mabagal eh. Sa night kasi natin, meron dalawang set, okay? Tatlo yan. Okay, meron tayong dalawang set, okay? Dalawang mabagal, dalawang mabilis. And napunta sa'yo, my dear, yung isang mabagal at saka isang mabilis. Okay. Yung mabilis mo is energy of action, the Knight of Wands, which is sinasabi na parang don't be afraid na mag-explore, don't be afraid na mag-try, don't be afraid na mag-start all over again. Dito naman sa energy dito is like you need to control your emotion. Okay? Mabagal to eh. Siya at saka si Knight of Pentacles is the slow side ng dalawang Knight. Ibig sabihin, action card sila pero medyo mabagal sila. Okay na energy. So, ang nakukuha ko dito is more on parang try to compose yourself. To the point ko isasama ko sila doon, be positive pa rin, na parang everything will be okay, everything will be fine, okay, yung mga ganon, okay? We have here the energy of the 3 of Swords. See? So, control your emotion, my dear. Control yung iyong releasing of emotion, my dear. Kasi possible, my dear, ang first 15 days of April, you will be very emotional talaga sa mga bagay na hindi nag-work according to plan. Pero sinasabi naman dito, my dear, na parang meron ka mga resources. Sa energy ng Magician, you have all the resources, my dear, para mag-start ulit, para mag-umpisa ulit. Yes, nandito to. Although halo-halong emotion to, hindi ako pwede hindi ko pwede siyang i-fix lang sa isang energy, my dear Aries. Pero possible na energy ng pagkapagod, energy ng frustration, energy ng something. Pero normally, baka pagkapagod to. Kasi parang nakukuha ko kasi dito, parang you put a lot of effort into it, parang hindi siya nag-work. It really doesn't matter kung may kinalaman sa career, may kinalaman sa relationship, okay, kung ano man yan, my dear. Pero you put a lot of effort into it. Pero possible na, di ba, hindi mo nagugustuhan kung ano yung magiging outcome. Yun nga lang, mag-umpisa ka ulit. Okay? Mag-umpisa ka ulit. Mag-tower ka ulit. Mag-back to zero ka ulit. Next card natin is the energy of the 4 of Swords. Relax. Okay? Everything will be alright. Everything will be fine. This is the time, my dear, na meditate ka. Everything na nakakaramdam ka ng pressure, This is the time mag-meditate ka. This is the time na mag-meditate ka. This is the time, my dear, na mag-pray ka. Ayusin ko lang yun kasi may liga ako mag-slang or mag-shortcut ng mga words. So, pasensya na, my dear. This is the time na mag-meditate ka. This is the time, my dear, na parang you try to relax yourself, my dear, and dive in sa inner something mo inside you, okay? And the last card natin over here, ay, second to the last pala, we have here the 9 of Wands. Sa pahaba tuloy kasi ang daming jumping card. Okay, this is energy of looking back to the past. This is a wounded soldier, my dear. So there's a tendency talaga, my dear, na merong energy na nakaraan, no? Humihila sa'yo pabalik. Pero sinasabi ng card kasi dito, my dear, na parang, huwag ka na bumalik, okay? Wala tayong magagawa. Nangyari, hindi na natin maiikot, my dear, ang ang relo, my dear. And hindi natin maiikot, my dear, yung oras or maibabalik yung oras. Ano ba pinagsasabi mo? And we have here the energy of the star, okay? Ang star kasi is more on balancing, okay, na may kinalaman sa mga bagay-bagay. Your thinking, your heart, your emotion, okay? Kung makikita mo dyan, nagbubuo si star ng water sa water and water sa ground, okay? So more on parang, diba? And kung makikita mo rin, my dear, ang nakukuha ko dito na energy kung pagmamasdan ko si star is parang yung cycle, my dear, ng water, okay? Yung parang yung clouds, kukuha siya ng tubig sa dagat, and then pag nakuha niya na yung tubig na yon, then iuulan niya sa ground, and then yung ground sisipsipin niya yon, and then babalik na naman ulit sa sea. Yung parang it is just a circle, my dear, and it is a nature of life. Yun na nakukuha ko dito, my dear. And you need to trust, my dear, yung ating buong may kapal, yung ating spirit guide, kung sino man yan, yung ating creator of heaven and earth, na everything happened for a reason. Although hindi mo gusto, my dear, kung ano yung nangyayari as of this moment, pero may dahilan kung bakit nangyayari yung bagay na yan. Hindi yan accident. What is the message over here na possible na mag-leap up ng energy mo? It is okay na mag-start all over again, my dear Aries. It is okay na mag-umpisa ka ulit. Even though you put a lot of effort, my dear, sa isang bagay, kung ganun talaga yung naging outcome, ganun talaga. Just try again. And sinasabi naman, my dear, sa card na to na magkakaroon naman, my dear, ng quick result or quick something, kung ano man tong gagawin mo ngayong first 15 days of April. O, diba? Buti nila sinulat ko. Okay? We have here the energy of the Queen of Cups. Okay? Deeper understanding sa mga bagay-bagay. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dito. Kasi si Queen of Cups to eh. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng malawak na pag-intindi, my dear, na nangyayari yung mga bagay na yan sa'yo, hindi para parusahan ka. Nangyayari yung mga bagay na yan kasi part yan ng journey mo bilang isang tao. Although, sa ngayon siguro parang hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit nangyayari yung mga bagay na yan. Pero sige lang, my dear Aries, laban lang, okay? Lumaban ka lang, okay? So, my dear Aries, yan ang reading natin para sa'yo. First 15 days of April 2026. I hope and pray, my dear, na nagustuhan mo ang ating reading. And sana nakatulong, or sana nakakatulong, my dear, ang mga reading na ginagawa ko para sa'yo. And always remember, my dear, na ang mga cards natin ay gabay lamang po. Tayo pa rin po ang gumagawa ng ating kapalaran. Maraming salamat po.